System Restore Point Windows 11. Restore Point takes your device back to an earlier point in time. Restore points are auto-generated when you install a new application or driver, and also you can create a restore point manually. Restoring won't affect your personal files, but it will remove applications, drivers, and updates installed after the restore point was made. Enable System Restore Point. In general, the system restoration is enabled by default. You can also confirm whether the system restore is enabled by the following steps. Type in search, create a restore point, in the Windows search bar, then click Open. If the protection of system drive shows as on, it means the system restore point is enabled. If the protection of system drive shows as off, please choose the System Drive, and then click Configure. Select Turn on System Protection, and set up the max usage of disk space. We suggest you set the disk space usage ranging from 5% to 10%. Then select OK. System Restore Point will be enabled. The max usage will remain the disk space you set, and is used for System Restore Point. As space fills up, older restore points will be deleted to make room for new ones. Manually create a System Restore Point. Type in search, create a restore point, in the Windows search bar, then click Open. Select a drive that have system protection turned on, and then click Create. Type a description to help you identify the restore point, then click Create. After the below notice displays, it means the restore point is successfully created, then please click Close.